He got through 3 men. 3 men.
Don't let that happen again. I mean, that was not good.
Going down.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
Ah!
Go ahead. Going down. Going down. Going down. You know what Coach said now.
I do too, but I can see it more than that. That opportunity. I like that too.
Watch the center, Nishant. Watch the center. Watch the center. Middle, Carson, middle.
Golly!
Let's go, Packer! Good job.
Actually, I'm probably just jealous. That's all right. Did you go show them how we come from behind? Well, I know. It is. Come on, Redskins!
Come on, Redskins!
All right, Gabriel. Get it, Josh! Get it! Oh, that's all right. That's okay.
Stewart, come here. Joshua out.
Ooh, I've never seen him riled up like that. He is mad. Together. It was over the feet.
Which I guess we did have an advantage for it.
Let's go, Redskins! You can do it!
Go, Redskins!
There you
Go,
go.
Patrick, go! Go, Patrick! Good job, Patrick! There was a flag? Was there a flag? No. Good job, Pat. There was. I wonder what happened.
No, he did.
What happened? Oh. 11:30. They were going to suck for 11:45. 11:30. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm here. You're not allowed. What's up, baby? You got to cheer for the Redskins. Let's go, Redskins! You can do it! Airplane gone, yeah, I don't know. Oh, it sure is gone. There's another one. Get in the game!
Jump for the ball. Jump for the ball.
All right. Come on, Redskins! Teamwork! Teamwork!
Nishan, dive for the ball. No excuses. No excuses.
Well, you know what? They should have grabbed those flags on that play. That messed up. That's all right, now, Pat. The first one was.
Go up, Simeon. Go up. Get the court.
Mitchell! Get in there! Watch your side! I just did it!
That's the way to do it!
All right.
Come on, Redskins. Jack, you got to be a little wide. Jackson. Stay at home. Open
Simeon, go get it.
Get ready!
Watch your side, Nishan.
Go.
All right, Redskins!
Get in there!
Get him!
Get in there!
Get him! Get him!
Shut him down.
Oh, good. Actually, a flag on.
Pursuit angles, guys. Let's go.
At least they took him back.
I know. Way to hold him back, though.
Break him down.
Get ready, Sil. You got to attack.
All right.
Stay at home. Wrong right.
That's good. That's good. Way to recognize it.
Let's go.
Ready, Carson?
Watch the misdirect.
Ready, Josh. All right, guys.
Go, Sil. Go.
Jackson.
Redskins!
Nice. Nice.
Way to hustle!
Good.
Let's go. Hunter,
Right
Will,
over
reach
this a
out.
little bit. Thank you.
First down. Joshua's coming in.
Sil. Call it out, Sil. Call it out, Sil.
Watch the misdirection.
Joshua's coming to you. Get ready.
Go.
Get him! Get him!
Nice. Nice.
Good job, Miss John.
Way to job! Way to be there!
Let's go. Quicker.
Don't kick too much, Nishan.
Get ready, Sil. Get in place. Get in place. Hey, you're the linebacker, so you got to tell everybody where they're going.
You gotta get up there in the middle. Let's go. Pursuit angle.
Call it out. There you go. There you go.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Slide!
There you go. That's it. That's the way to do it, Sylvia.
Ready to go, Sam.
All
Good job,
right.
Damien.
All right, guys. Keep that up.
All right.
Keep it up.
Hey, guys.
Hold him.
I need you to flex out, okay? Josh, I want you back. Third down.
All right, Sil.
Do it again.
Do it again. Tell them where they're going.
Stay at home. Keep everybody in front of you, Joshua.
Hey, right here. 10-20. 10-20. Run to where he's running. Don't let anybody behind you.
Keep everybody in front of you. Watch for the sweep. Watch for the sweep.
Stay home. Stay home. Everybody stay home.
Go, Sil. Go, Sil. Go. Go. Good. There you go.
I do.
No, I think he's holding his glasses.
Way to turn it around.
That's the way to go, guys.
All right, Redskins. Good job, baby.
Good job. Good job. That's the way to call it out. That's the way. Hey, don't go get that flag. Don't stand there and wait.
All right, Redskins. Show what you got, baby.
Let's go this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
All right, do it. Go.
That's it, guys.
That's what I'm talking about. Wake it up.
Come on. Keep up. Keep up. Stay in the game now.
Redskins. Woo.
It's early for them when they're up.
First down.
Well, I just figure out whether they just stop the play or if this guy got hold.
They're rounding further all the time.
After we
We treat Josh like Yeah, when I'm in, I want to play with my hands.
Okay. Oh, nice catch.
Come on, Packers!
Nice run. Good run. Good run.
Good job! Good job, Patrick!
They got to pass. Pass only, guys. They got to pass it.
Good job, Patrick!
Let's go. Gotta do it. Turn down now.
Yeah!
Way to go, guys. Way to go.
I don't know. I was doing that too. You can't see good from here, can you?
I can't tell.
Yeah. They need those like things like that stick
It
up.
was. He said we're going for one.
Oh, okay, good. Awesome.
We need to know when they get a call. We need to know when they
Come on,
start going.
Packers!
Hard to tell from here.
Well, you can pace like some of them do,
Yeah, I don't feel
but I
like
don't
it.
feel like it.
What did you say?
I just rely on the everything.
Guys, get on!
Why didn't you tell me that they're not the Packers?
Huh?
I was saying good home Packers, and they're not even the Packers. What's their name? Redskins.
Get ready to pull first.
I don't know. That's the first one.
No, I was cheering, but I was cheering for the wrong team. Packers.
Bring it down in the middle. Get up.
Yeah, no, I just realized that.
Well, almost go.
No, I can see.
Stay home.
Come on, Pat. Don't let him out.
Carson is hot tonight. Way to go, guys. Way to go. Way to go.
Hey, Carson, you came to play, son.
Yes,
Great
sir.
job.
Yes, sir. Good job.
Simeon, way to rush that quarterback, man.
Way to go with the
Hey,
pressure.
you gotta go. You gotta keep going. Don't stop, man. Stop. You too fast to go. You should be getting them.
Oh yeah, I agree. Yeah, that just got
Here we go. Here we go.
Got 10! Go, John. Go.
I was trying to think of Catholic. I don't. start yelling at her.
Yeah.
Like he did. Yeah, that's what my mom they could
Got 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Got a score, boys.
All right, Redskins.
Y'all line up. Make sure. Pat. Josh, come on up.
All right, Redskins. Good, Patrick. That's all right. That's okay. Good try. Almost. Good try, Redskins. Come on. Get your touchdown for halftime.
Hustle up, Pat. Mr. Mitchell out. Good try. Come here, son.
Jack, they got a score. Watch that deep pass, okay?
Yeah. You want me? Huh? Come here. Come here.
I thought you put him in there. Let's see what he can do.
Come here. Come here.
He's like, please, I'm trying to eat. Y'all leave me alone. I'm not blaming you, honey. That's what I'm talking about. All right, now we're here.
Oh! Oh! I thought he was going to go to Austin. I mean, Pat.
green jersey.
Yeah, his
Good job.
All right, this is the extra point, yeah?
Yep. Don't put that in my check. They're going somewhere.
He has good hair. That's awesome.
They're zoning.
Yeah!
Good job, Redskins. Hustle.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, don't stop. Don't let them get along.
1 minute.
All right, Gabe.
You hear me, Sam?
Yo, James, you got 45 seconds, so back up. Redskins, stop it right here. Back up, Josh. Come on now, watch the ball.
Redskins hustle now. Don't let them get a score.
45 seconds.
Keep that flag, Sam. Come on, Carson. Stay on him.
You got some water?
45 seconds, they're going to go deep.
Hey.
Did I? I didn't do anything with it.
Watch it. Why go get it, Gabe? Gabe, stay on it.
Out of bounds.
All right. Good pressure, y'all. Good pressure.
Way to stay home, son.
Good job.
All right, guys. Yeah. Stop them. Dave, watch and stay with it, baby. Yes, you did. You did a great job. Come on, Redskins, hustle now.
Stop them, Redskins.
Simeon. There you go.
Josh, don't anybody get behind you. 30 seconds.
Go, Simeon, go. Go, Simeon.
Go!
Stewart, come in.
Hurry up, Pat. Hurry up, Pat. Sorry, Deshaun. Hey, hey.
Yeah, but he can't lower his shoulder either, Eric.
Oh, man.
Maybe not for right now, but
Game out, Mitchell in.
Run.
it's all right, Gabe. Good job, baby. Good job.
One more play. Hold him one more time.
You don't have to, because I don't know if he gonna let me. Ah!
He couldn't run.
Nope, they cannot run.
Quarterback cannot run.
The quarterback can't run?
The quarterback cannot run.
Nope.
All right. That's a penalty.
I'm like, used to quarterback running.
They wiggle around.
Jackson in.
I don't know what the weakness is, not the Packers.
When we were getting a rule book out of it.
Yeah, because we had different. It's a different league, y'all.
I know that, but I mean, you know. You're working it out, man. You're doing great. Yeah.
Hey, Free,
They got to go for a touchdown.
what do you do with it?
Got to be
Y'all
long.
gotta watch that touchdown and hold up.
Okay.
So what do they do now? I don't know why. They still got the yards like they got the garbage.
They got three over there. Who's over there? Three over there. Yeah.
That was third down.
They got a first down. This is your third. 2 seconds. Gotta do it one more time.
All right, baby, step
Shot. Come in. Stay at home.
Come on, guys. Somebody's got to watch the center.
Guard the white line, guys.
Everybody in front of you guys.
We got 2 seconds now. Third down. Okay, it's got to be a pass.
All right, watch it.
Get him, Jackson! Get him, Jackson! Let him go!